Yan. Ocean Aquarium. National Aquarium. Wow. Hello, say hello.
Jaden,
Ito may stonefish. Yan oh.
si Jaren din.
Let's continue. Let's continue. Wow.
This is Atlantic zone. The fishes are from Atlantic.
Ha?
Bye-bye!
Sino yan?
Dito kaya hindi kasi tayo. Eh, dito kaya. Wala kasi. Hindi siya pwede magkakas.
Mga janitor fish. Oh, yung lalaki.
You saw him. The one on the top.
the fire is a chain of tectonic activity that stretches 100,000 kilometers over the edge of the Pacific Ocean. This region is known for its natural disasters like strong winds, earthquakes, volcanoes, and tsunamis.
Ano ba to?
Namit ako.
Jaden!
Ginawang aquarium yung phone ko. Pati yung kotse ginawang aquarium. Oh. Grabe. Wow, can you see the jellyfish? Linaw. Jellyfish yung arcade.
Wala. Meron.
Bakit? Electric eel?
Oo.
Ano?
Touch mo.
Tapos makakuryente?
Hindi naman siya. Wala may ente. Kunting init lang.
Nakatakot yata. We are now entering Frozen Ocean. Frozen Ocean. Wow. Oh, ang cute naman ng isda. Ano? Wait, ano to? Itik? Itik? There's a penguin, no? Oh.
Picturean na sila. Ay, penguin ba yun?
Ibon yata.
Duck yan? Namilipad? Swim pala, swim. Swim kasi yun. What's that? Mommy, what's that? It's a dog. Eh, pwede yung kumat sa taas. Kumat sa taas yun. Asan?
Picture kaya, Jaden, look. Look. Jaden.
Look at daddy. Look at daddy.
Oh,
Look at
dali.
daddy.
Jaren.
Jaren.
Jaren Paul. Jaren Paul.
Jaden. Jaden, look with mommy. Jaden. Jaden. Look at daddy. Ha? Daddy.
Smile. Jaden, smile. Yay. Wow. Dito naman tayo sa The Flooded Forest.
Yung atin wala. Ayun, mas mahal. 190 ata. Ay, at saka wala siya sa Fada. Wala. Pero pag maglalakad tayo sa ano, sa
I bumped my head.
Where?
There. Ito na yung loob ng frogs. Toy frogs.
Yung nagka-camouflage. Ito iguana.
Yung turtle.
Ayun na nasa taas ba? Sorry.
Chameleon.
Uy, ay, oo. Lumilipad nga. Don't touch nga. Sila na upaan.
Ay, ba't may ulit?
May okay dyan. Gaga. Hindi naman nila. Hawakan mo nga. Di ka mabitaw.
Come on, Jaden. Ano meron dito?
Lavabo.
Ah, okay.
Okay, isa pa mo na picturean ko kayo. Diyan, nakalabas siya.
Ay, totoo yan? Walang harang. Inaano ni Jaden kung may harang eh. Oh. Tortoise, oh.
Uy, yung bawal dun.
Baka sakali mo yung ibon.
Tignan mo yung ano, turtle. Turtle gumagawa. Lo. Hello. Did you see Snake?
Nakakawala, oh. Ay, ito piranha. Piranha, oh. Fresh water. Ayan na. Ay, may iguana, laki. Ah,
That is dangerous.
alin? Nakain na. Lucky. Alligator. Arapaima, red-tailed catfish. Wow. Cheap dyan natin. Jaren Paul.
Asan? Mamaya 3 p.m. lang. 3 p.m.
Upload na lang. Ay, ano pala to? Souvenir shop. Oh, smile.
Sila dalawa na lang.
Ah.
Ang cute.
Babe na babe talaga si Kuya Jaren eh. Oh. Oh, Jaden. Go there in the middle.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, smile. Pal.
Uy!
Ang ganda-ganda nung solo natin eh.
Grabe oh. LSE ang laki. Nasirang barko.
Kinuha nila sa nasirang ba?
Guro. Ah, hanggang doon pa pala oh.
Laki pa pala.
Hmm.
Jaden, someone is with you. Babae ba ito lalaki? Babae yung lalaki.
Hindi ko alam. Ang laki oh, stingray. Oh.
Hello, Jaden!
Laki ng stingray. Yeah.
Buti pa si Johnny nag-enjoy.
Grabe. Shark! Shark! Oh.
May shark yan.
Ayan oh, shark. Grabe. 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 Jaren Paul. Oh. Oh. Oh, Jaren.
Hello! May mas malaking shark doon, no? Ayun. Ilalagay lang yung ulo mo doon.
Ay, naku. Jaden, go there in the shark.
Ayaw, mapala sa second floor pa pala.
Dito na po sa kainan naman. Say hi, Jaden. Say hi, Jaden. Here, in my camera.
Ay, picture mo siya. Sila dalawa. Ay, naman na siya natin. Here. Masay natin.
Thank you.
We are involved in a wildlife rescue program. Our mission here is to rescue the animals, rehabilitate them. The marine, you can swim with 22,000 animals around you. That would be like really amazing. All these sea turtles have been rescued by our team. Some of them have hypothermia, plastic problem, and also lung problem. 52% of the sea turtles dying of plastic. This is why they come here and we take out the plastic from the body by endoscope, and they will receive medication here and they will stay under medication. Once they respond to the medication, we put them back to the wild. So actually we don't keep animals here, but they have the circle. So we will affect them and they will affect us at the end. Come on guys.
There's bird though. Oh, there's a bird inside.
Hello guys. So also here as you see, this is not only the sea turtle are suffering, but also the grey African parrot also suffering. 21% snatched from the wild and smuggled across the border. This is because it's very social. This point of weakness that is very sociable, and also this is one who to live as if in the nature. Because also this one rescued one. Okay, so this is our garden. It's a new style of plantation called to hold the water, and we need only 20 days for them to grow. Once they grow, we advocate to our manatee downstairs, find him with large amount there. And also we can find in India, or the Indian manatee and the Amazon manatee as well. But the fourth kind is fair. So they reduce the pollution that we have. So this is why they are important, and the ocean is important to us. Not only because it's a source of fish, but actually it reduces the pollution for us. So also this is the eggs of the bamboo shark or carpet shark. Hello, come on. So the carpet shark actually needs, rather than the wild, we breed it here as you see. Come here, come.
Jaden, look.
What's his name?
Jaden.
Jaden? Come on, read it. I'm gonna. It's moving here.
See the egg?
See, up.
Look here. See?
Yeah, it's moving. This is the eggs of the shark. So actually, we try to help the wild to survive by breeding sharks here. This is a baby. This is a different collection of reptile that we have, and he's the only one had the shattered tongue, same like the snake, as you see.
He will not bite.
Only he can bite at the time of stress, but normally he doesn't. So she has got some hair body, so you can see from down there. So gases, she has gases in her body. We give her medication just to release it. And also we have the other one have a problem in the mouth. It come up fever. This is why we are running out these days.
Jaden.
If you want your kids to join, that would be amazing experience for them. And they will learn more about marines, how they are generate what is here because it's
Don't touch anything.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Wow. Wala naman pala yan. Hawakan mo si Zena.
Hello. Oh no. Hello. Ayun na.
Makaka-picture ka dyan?
Yeah. Ay, Jaden, naku. Jaden! Ay, naku.
Ang pwede palang magpakain dito.
Pakain natin yung biscuit na dala ni Wincy.
Mommy.
The ocean has the carbon dioxide from the face.
Starfish, wala akong nakita ng starfish.
Wala.
Picture, ako mga
Naman naman si Jaren na.
Baka board na po si Jared, Paul.
Nagugulat